Can you invest in pharma sector or a set of pharma stocks right now? Because market is volatile, you may not know where to invest. But if you look at all the sectors will grow together. Not all the sectors will grow together. It depends upon the current economic cycle and it works perfectly. So hi, hello. This is Ganesh Santuru, your stock market profit coach. I help in multiplying your money by investing in stock market. And this is my book, One Page Stock Market Plan. Please go and check it out in Amazon, where you once you learn, you can also implement that and start finding out good stocks to invest. In a very simple manner, it has been written by me. Okay. So today's topic: can you invest in pharma stocks as a sector? Because if you look at in each economic cycle, there are set of sectors which will grow. Not every sector will grow at any point of time. If money is there during the early recovery stage, just before the second COVID started, all focus was on bankings because they started giving lesser interest rate, and how the infrastructure, how the automobiles and all these companies are going to borrow and they're going to invest. But right now, now there is a complete shift. It looks like a complete shift because of COVID. The way, the kind of spread it created, the panic it created among the people. We know for sure that the stocks may not, the people may not be really in a better position because it looks pathetic now. Everybody wants to cross this crisis. Hopefully once the COVID is subsidizing, and then only the economy will be focused, because now the focus is full on saving our lives and that. So the current economic condition may pull back India's growth story into recession again. It can go back in this quarter because March quarter is done. From April and this complete May, in the last 2 weeks it has been, from April first week itself it started growing up like anything, and May is complete washout all across. Most of the states are implementing separate lockdowns for their states, and even in Tamil Nadu we had implemented lockdown in the last 1 week, and it's getting severe for the next 2 weeks. So it means that the lockdown is not across India, but every state is having their individual lockdowns. So that is going to affect the production, that because already Maruti has halted production for oxygen productions, and all the two wheelers, most of them stopped. Yamaha stopped, saying that the demand will come down. Acer Motors in Chennai say that they stopped and they are looking after maintenance activity, and all the other companies, one after the other. Hero Motors also say the same thing, I think. So all these people are saying the slowdown and everything is happening. So it says that if the slowdown is happening, everything, it means again we will get back to recession mode, or which is recovery is not happening as expected out of the after the March month. So the focus will go towards the defensive. The defensive segment is nothing but all the pharma as well as the FMCG sector. So FMCG, we all know what are the sectors, and yesterday and day before yesterday I shared about a couple of one is Godrej Consumer Products, I explained, and also about Britannia, I explained. And today it's all about pharma as a sector where you can invest, right? So now you got the argument like based on the economic cycle, if you are able to choose a segment, if you are able to choose the industry, it works. And if you look at from January month, global commodity prices started increasing, and in India and all across the world, even in Joe Biden in US, in China, the focus was on infrastructure. Even in India's budget, the focus was on infrastructure. All this created the case for metals, iron ore, all the related commodities. And that triggered the stock price of Tata Steel in India, JSW Steel, and all across the world as well. But the valuation is very high, so that is the reason it started correcting. But looking at current condition in India, the demand may come down. So if you look at metals, it started correcting this week. This week, metal stocks had corrected because it has reached the peak. In the last 10 years, Tata Steel never breached 900 or 1000. It did in this year because of the global commodity demand, because of that alone. Okay. And the cement sector also started running up, it corrected. Banking stock already started correcting in the last 2 months. As an index, it started correcting. Probably in the going forward also it may correct, because this lockdown effect will have on the people. In the last lockdown, organized sector was almost safeguarded. In this lockdown, people are dying, which didn't happen in the last lockdown. So this condition, you can't compare this condition with last year condition, because last year it was completely new. People didn't had money alone. Once they started coming back in June month, they were able to work, they were able to make money. But this year it's almost totally different. The dependent person who was, if he had a if he is affected, if he is no more, the family is completely in can't say anything. They are almost lost and they need help. Not sure what will happen in the June month, July month. Once slowly economy is opening up, what they will do. So there is a complete shift in the economy, a complete shift in the way things are operating right now just because of this COVID wave. So so much is expected out of the government. Let's see what is happening. But if you look at these kind of situations, argues well for defensive segment. That is the reason I'm coming back. So we started with the early recovery after the budget because everything was hoping as expected. Government said we are going, we won over the corona, and they started doing vaccine diplomacy. Everything was going as expected until the April first week. Things started changing. Everything started shifting and at a rapid pace, which we are not able to manage right now. So that's kind of situations can come that happened in US, that happened in European nations, and we are suffering right now. Hopefully, let's come out of it. And this is a time you should be very cautious. And if you're investing in stock market, if you're already there, shift your focus towards FMCG because this is completely India's. Global liquidity is there. Stock market may stay at the top, but which stocks will go up, that is much essential. This is a timeline where the complete focus will come towards pharma and FMCG segment. So focus focus on these segments and pharma in particular, because if you look at Sputnik vaccine, or Sputnik or Russia's vaccine has been approved, got licensed by Dr. Reddy's, and they started launching. They announced the dose price and everything. So that is also coming into picture. And many manufacturing companies in India, they acquired license from Gilead and they started producing, and because the demand is huge all across India. So this creates an opportunity for everybody, and related medicine also is increasing. All these favors the growth for pharma in the next 3 to 6 months for sure. So because these are all sectoral, it will move only during this kind of time. So focus on these kind of stocks because it stopped in the by last October, November. Again, it started. The pharma focus started. So focus on these stocks if you want to stay invested in stock market, and if you haven't focused on these kind of segments, start focusing. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any queries, please post your questions. And if you're interested to do these kind of analysis, please join my webinar where I teach go deeper. And during 90 minutes, you will learn a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in my webinar. Thank you so much.